Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem, 9th chapter, 3rd problem we are going to discuss. It's class 11 physics. It's asked about the modulus of elasticity. Okay. So they asked how much the length will be compressed when the load, it's going to be when they are doing the performance, what is the length of compression in a bone? That is a question they asked. Okay. Now we'll see what is a given data. Okay, the total mass of the performance which is given in the question, it's going to be called as 280 kg. Okay, all the performers, they are standing in a single performance like this. Okay, single performer, the mass of the person who is holding with everybody, that's mass person, is going to be called as 60 kg. Okay, so his leg only they are getting balanced with whole mass. Okay, so overall performance this much, the mass of the person which is holding by two legs is going to be 60 kg. Okay, so we have to subtract this mass, then only the resultant mass which is holding on him, that will come to know. Okay, so the total resultant mass, this minus this. Okay, because his performance is standing with the back side and he will be holding with all the whole mass. Okay, that's going to be the total mass of the performance on the this person is going to be 220 kg. Okay, now the next one, so actually he used two legs to hold everything. Okay, the Young's modulus of the bone, the modulus of elasticity of the bone, 9.4 into 10 power plus 9 Newton by meter square. Okay, modulus of elasticity of the bone, we can take it from the tabular column. Okay, so that tabular column I will show you. This is a tabular column. You can take it as the mass of the bone. Okay, see here, mass of the bone for compression is 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, it is given in the page number, it's going to be modulus of the first chapter, 235. Okay, so 235. Okay, now the Young's modulus we know already, 9.4 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, Newton by meter square. Modulus of elasticity of the bone we got. Okay, now they asked how much the bone will be get compressed. Okay, that is a question they asked. Next one, the length of the leg, 0.5 meter, exactly half of the meter. The radius, the effective radius of the leg, it's given as a 2 centimeter. Okay, the problem, if you got the centimeter, means you should convert as a centimeter to meter. Okay, if you want to convert centimeter to meter into 10 power minus 2 or divided by 100 you should do. So 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Radius also I got. Okay, now the question is, what is the changing length of the bone? Okay, the compression, how much is going to be happen with the bone, that only we are going to find. Okay, first I am going to find what is the area. Okay, because just we know the formula, modulus of elasticity, Young's modulus, stress by strain. Okay, stress by strain. Young's modulus we know, force I will tell you how to calculate, area also we should calculate, changing length by original length of the bone also we know. Okay, just a modification, dl by l is equal to f divided by a divided by Young's modulus. This l also you can take it this side, you will get what is a changing length by original length. So changing length is equal to, it's going to be, this area will come as a denominator. So force divided by area into original length into Young's modulus. Okay, a modulus of elasticity of the bone. Okay, now first thing, area is going to be, is very easy, pi r square. What is pi? Pi is going to be 3.14. What is r? 0. It's going to be 2 centimeter. 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, so 2 times we should write 3.14 into 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, now 2 into 2, 4. So 3.14 into 4 into 10 power minus 4. So 4 into 3.14. 3.14 into 4. 16, 4, 5, 12. Okay, 2 decimal. 12.56. 12.56 into 10 power minus 4. Area only no. We'll get meter square. Okay. First we found area. Okay. Area we got. Next one, we are going to find what is a force. So actually force is equal to mass into acceleration, ma, or it is going to be weight, mg. both the same only. Okay, what is the mass of the total performer? Total performance mass is going to be 220 kg. Okay, what is the gravity? 10 or 9.8 we can take it. Okay, meter by second square. So 220 into 9.8. Actually use two legs to balance this much force. Okay, we are going to find one leg only. Okay, he is holding two legs like this. Okay, so we are going to find how much the bone is get compressed. Only one leg. The mass is going to be the force is going to divide into two parts. Okay, so 220 into 9.8. We'll do multiplication. 220 into 9.8. 0, 16, 16, 17. Okay, 0, 18, 18, 19. Okay, 0, 6, 5, 1, 7. Yeah, this 2 multiplication I will show here. 220 into 9.8. Okay, 0, 8 tables will get 16, 16, 17 will be there. 9 tables 18, 1 will be there. 9 tables 18, 19 will be there. Okay, like this. 0, 6, 5, 1, 1. Okay, the next one will get again 1 here, 2. Now we got this much answer. Because of this one decimal, you can keep decimal here, 0 get cancelled. So total force, okay, 220 into 9.8 will get 2156 Newton. Okay, this is for both the leg. Okay, actually what is holding in one leg, so two legs, this much force. Okay, it is for two legs. Okay, so force acting for one leg. Okay, it is exactly half of this value, 2156 divided by 2. So 1, 0, just exactly half of this value, 107 8. Okay, 1078. 2 tables 1 time, 0, 14, 15 will become 7 times 14, then 1 will become there, 8 2s are 16. So the force acting in one leg, 1078 Newton. Okay, area already we calculated, 12.56 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, it's going to be meter square. Then Young's modulus of the bone, that also we know, 9.4 into 10 power plus 9 Newton by meter square. Okay, then length of the bone 0.5. Next step we can do with the overall calculation. See here, the total modulus of elasticity. Okay, total modulus of elasticity of the bone we know, changing length only we are going to find. So force per unit area divided by Young's modulus into, here will be original length will be there. Okay, original length will be there. Same force into length divided by area into modulus, Young's modulus of the bone. Okay, now changing length, the compression of the bone we are going to find. Force is how much? 1056 Newton. Length is how much? Exactly 0.5 of meter. Okay, then area 12 point, slowly you can do this calculation. I will bring the exact book answer. Okay, so 12.56 into 10 power minus 12. Okay, minus 4, sorry, minus 4 area. Young's modulus of the bone 9.4 into 10 power, it's going to be 10 power plus 4. Okay, plus 9. Okay, this what we'll have. Okay, now simplification we can do. See here, next step what I am going to do now. Actually, this is 1078. Okay, 0.5 we can write exactly off. Okay, same only 1078. 0.5 we can write as a 1 by 2. Okay, into 12.56 into 9.4 into 10 power minus 4, 10 power plus 5, minus 4 plus 9, sorry, plus 9. This is going to become as a plus 9. Okay, so the next value 1078 divided by 2, 5, then here will become 3, then this will become, it's going to be 9. Okay, 539, 539 divided by, just approximate calculation. Okay, divided by 12.56 into just 9.4 into 10 power plus 5. Okay, plus 5 if you are taken numerator, minus 5 will become 10 power minus 5. is equal to, we are finding changing length, unit will be meter. Okay, 539 divided by 12.56 into 9.4. Okay, this is what we can get. Next, the cancellation with two table I am doing. Okay, see here, two tables. Here 12 will be 6. Okay, 4 will be 2 times. 1 will be 8. 16 will become as a 8 times. Okay, here 2 tables, 2. Okay, then here 6 will become as a 2 times. 6 2s are 12. Okay, here will become as a 9.5. This will be get final value. Okay, 269 divided by 6.28 into 9.4. Okay, then into 10 power minus 5. Now I am doing number as a approximate. This as a 6.3. You can make it as a round number. 269.5. Okay, it's going to be numerator. Denominator will be, see here, 6.3 into 9.4. Okay, because this will make us the calculation little simple. Okay, so into 10 power minus 5, into 10 power minus 5. So 6.3, 63 into 94. 2 decimal is there. That also you can keep it in mind. Okay, so 282, then 564. Normal multiplication you can do. Okay, 2, 1, then again we'll get as 9, 5. Okay, 59.22. Numerator is 269.5. Denominator is 59.22 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so in case this is 60, this is 270. If you are taken like that means, so approximately 5 times the answer will come. Okay, actually this is not less than that. Okay, the answer will be get as 4.55 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, into 10 power minus 5. Okay, this is for changing length. Okay, unit will be meter. Finally we got how much changing length. Okay, same as a book answer, close to that value. Okay, if you want accurate value, you can do with the more calculation, clear calculation you can do. Okay, now changing length by original. This much length is going to be get as a compressed. Okay, changing length by original length. Changing length is how much? 4.55 into 10 power minus 5. Original length 0.5. Okay, total length of compression in percentage they asked. Okay, so 0.5 you can write 1 by 2. 4.55 into 10 power minus 5. 0.5 you can write 1 by 2. Denominator directly will come into the numerator. 2 times of 4.55 into 10 power minus 5. So just you can do this multiplication. So it will be get 4.55 into 2. So will be 0, 1, 1, 1 will be 9.1. Okay, so 9.1 into 10 power minus 5. So changing length by original length, how much I will get? No, 9.1 into 10 power minus 5. It's very smaller length, 0.000091. Okay, that is going to be the changing length. Okay, if you want the same number in a percentage means into 100 you can do. Into 100, 0.000091 into 100 means 2 decimal will go off, 0.0091 percentage. Okay, it's very less than 0.1%. Very small compression will be happen on his leg. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more example and exercise video means you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you everyone. Thank you.